The Galaxy Z Flip 6 introduces entirely new levels of performance and style. On the front, there's a convenient 3.4-inch flex window that allows you to access widgets, apps, and even take photos without opening the phone. Picture checking your messages, controlling music playback, or navigating Google Maps, all from the ease of the cover screen. Open it up to reveal a spacious 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X FHD Plus display that offers exceptional brightness and astounding 2600 nits, color, and contrast, regardless of the lighting conditions. Like the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the core of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is powered by Galaxy Ioni, acting as a highly intelligent assistant in your pocket. On vacation and the hotel receptionist doesn't speak your language? No issue. Interpreter 3 in dual screen mode translates conversations in real time, using either side of the screen to display what the other person is saying in their native language. Call Assist's Live Translate 3 feature allows both parties to speak and hear in their own languages during calls. For work, Flex Mode and Transcript Assist 3 can record meeting minutes for you, letting you relax and listen. The Smart Replitwo feature analyzes your recent messages and suggests replies so you can respond without typing. Galaxy I even lets you design your own wallpapers and dynamic 3D floating stickers for the Flex window. The camera experience on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is designed to impress as well. The main camera now features the same remarkable technology as the Galaxy S24, so images and videos with the 50MP lens are ultra clear and incredibly lifelike. With the ability to take selfies using the Flex window and Flex Cam system, you can capture photos and videos hands-free, without opening the phone or using a tripod. Additionally, with Galaxy I-powered Pro Visual Engine and Photo Assist, you can create stunning portraits, thanks to professional-level editing and auto-detection features. And that's not all. Auto Zoom now elevates hands-free photography to impressive new heights. It detects subjects and backgrounds, then automatically adjusts zoom for optimal angles and compositions. By delivering vibrant, clear photos every time, this flip phone ensures that your memories are captured in the best light possible. There's no compromise in performance either. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is equipped with a Snapdragon TM8 General 3 for Galaxy chipset, ensuring smooth and responsive operation whether you're gaming or multitasking. The 4000 mAh battery keeps the device charged throughout the day, even with heavy usage. And as the most durable Galaxy Z Flip ever, it's built to last. With a robust armor aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 exterior, reinforced hinge, and scratch-resistant screen, you can be confident that it's as strong as it is stylish. To top it off, its sleek design and elegant colors are sure to make you stand out from the crowd, no matter your style. The Z Flip 6 has an I48 water resistance rating, meaning it can endure immersion in water at a depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. This provides peace of mind that your device will be protected during unexpected rain or accidental spills. The materials used in these latest foldables are both sturdy and lightweight, ensuring the phones can handle the demands of daily use. The latest models have undergone rigorous testing to prove their durability, with the innovative hinge able to endure hundreds of thousands of folds. Additionally, further hinge development means the display can now close more tightly, contributing to a slimmer profile when folded. Furthermore, the screens are safeguarded by Corning-registered Gorilla Glass Victus Register 2, known for its exceptional resistance to scratches and drops, while the frame is made from stronger armor aluminum, offering better protection against external impacts, drops, and bending.